So today I'll be showing you my winter makeup routine. And first off, I'll start by using my revitalizing facial wipes that I got from Forever 21. Then I'm using my B3 Beauty Balm Kiss Light Medium Brown Foundation. And I just start by going down on my nose and the lighter areas of my face. I go up under my eyes, and I also go like on my like cheekbone for a little highlight. Then I'll just blend that in with my sponge. After I do that, I'm gonna use my medium brown B3 cream just to like mix it in because the light medium brown foundation is kind of light for my skin. And I'll just begin, putting it mostly in the same spots and just begin blending it out with my sponge. I sometimes go over my eyebrows with I sometimes go over my eyebrows with the foundation just to give my eyebrows a more cleaner look. Then I'll just like let that dry, and then I'll get my oh my god, Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade, well, dipping brow pomade that I got from Sephora. Then I'll just take my eyebrow brush and like just start going in and like feeling like outlining my eyebrows and like making an angle for like the tail part, and then I just go around on the top and like give it a little fade. Then I'll just continue to like fill in my eyebrows. Y'all see that brow? uh then I like draw like small little lines in the beginning part of my eyebrow to give it like a little fade and more of a like natural look. I'm gonna start by using um some of this highlighter that I use. Well, it's not actually a highlighter. I don't have any highlighter, but I use this bronze eyeshadow for like a highlighter. So I'm finally finished with my makeup, and I'll just start like doing my hair. My hair is from my hairline called Rose Quality Hair, and this is my Brazilian hair. And I just started my hair company. I'm like testing the hair out to see how long it will like last and stuff. But so far it's been holding up pretty good. It's been flat ironing pretty good, as you can see. And like the way I'm flat ironing it, I'm doing the chase comb method. I think my flat iron was set to 390 degrees. Next, I'm gonna just part it because my part wasn't really looking that good. I just take the flat iron and I go back over that part. Now I'll just comb it out. Then I'm going to take my 24-hour edge tamer. This is the clear one. And I've been using it lately and it's a good product. I'll just like flick them eyebrow. I mean, I said eyebrows, my edges in the front. Oh, and for my outfit, I put on my high waisted black Forever 21 jeans and um this headband that says Best Babe from Forever 21 and this yellow top that I got from Forever 21, and that's the look. Bye guys.